quarter to 11. So still pretty light out considering, but would be lighter if the sun was out. We're heading to a campsite. Gonna do some research to see if maybe we can find some drone pieces for the drone that we almost lost there. Holy, look at this.
Why is the light on? Oh, you hear him barking? Turn the music down. Oh no, that's geese. Okay, I better look for some terns up ahead.
If it got worse than this, man, I don't even know if I continue driving. This is pretty nuts. Absolute insanity. Well, it's like, what, 12 o'clock at night? We're still trying to make it to our campsite. Worst fog I've ever seen in my life. Not too many times I'm nervous when I'm driving, but I'm nervous. Good morning. We're currently in Geothermal, a small little town here in the north of Iceland. It is cold up here. Went to bed at probably like 1:30 a.m. It's currently like 10:30 a.m. Been up since 9:30. Let's show you the camp around here. See a little bit. And as you can tell, it's still foggy, it's rainy. We're supposed to go to the Arctic Henge last night, and we decided to go there today. But because it's so foggy and so rainy, we won't be able to see much anyways, so we're just gonna skip that area and move on. Not sure if we're missing out or not. It's just like a rock formation thing, and it's still like an hour and 20 away, so it's gonna add like more time to our day. I just don't think it's worth it, so we're gonna eat breakfast, get dressed, and head to some more waterfalls later, I guess. For now, we're just chilling. I emailed the drone store to see if they have anything up north or what we can do, what our options are, yada yada. So waiting on a response from that, and who knows. But either way, guess we'll see you later. Well, this is our lovely foggy campsite here. I just gotta go take a little bounce on this thing over here, because why not?
Your phone or the card?
You can freaking launch yourself on this thing. That's funny. I felt like I was going pretty high there. Just trying to figure out how to pay for our campsite using our camping card. So we figured we'd come out to this little viewing platform here. But this is our wonderful view here. Believe it or not, there's big mountains in the background here. But wow, looks like the clouds stuck with us overnight. What a haunting look. So cool.
Well, I guess this was the old boat launch. That belonged to.
looks on camera, but we're making our way. We're on our way to Dettifoss. The road we wanted to go up is impassable, so we're just going to go to the west side and see what we see from there. Hopefully there's no fog over there, but we'll see. Taking a quick drive through Ásbyrgi Canyon here, which is the big wall. We'll see what's going on with that.
There's a campground. This is a narrow road.
Yep. On an adventure, we're not quite sure what we're getting into here. Oh, this is kind of cool. You can drive right through this thing. Driving in the canyon, Ásbyrgi Canyon. I wonder what's at the end. Think there's a waterfall or something?
I don't know. I don't even know how long this road is. No, it might just lead to the end of the canyon and loop back.
And you said Myvatn closes at 10.
Oh, are we at the end? Oh, they put some trees in.
Wow, it's quite an expensive canyon. I wonder if water was here once. Or something. Oh.
This could have been an old quarry. No, I don't think it was a quarry.
Do you think like there was a rushing water here?
Who knows?
That'd be crazy if it was.
Maybe there's a cave back here.
Yeah, so I'm curious to see if this is it. This is the end, I just don't know.
It might loop all along the wall there.
Well, this is different. It's amazing how like 1 minute you're in one place, the next minute you're in a completely different looking place.
Looks like a good rock climbing wall.
Except for they're going the opposite way. They're going like in instead of out. Here's the... Here's where you go walking, I guess.
Yeah. Oh yeah, walking trails.
Beautiful trees. Icelandic birches. Isn't that cute? There's a little waterfall. I think, yeah, look at this waterfall.
Whatever we're looking at. Maybe we want to go over here.
Something.
Down the stairs. Botanist Jorn.
Where did you see the thing carved into the side of it?
I don't know, it was just in the picture there.
There's like a little cave up there. Ooh, it's muddy.
Oh, there's another viewpoint up there.
There's like a cave up there. And a little waterfall. Huh. So this is a nice calm little pond. See some birds in here for all you bird watchers. See some birds up on the cliffs. I know you guys can't. But some birds nesting up there in the cliffs. Apparently there's supposed to be some carving of a man or something in the side of these cliffs, but we don't know where it is. We're getting out of Ásbyrgi Canyon. History history shows that the water here used to be up to the top of those cliffs. Like, can you imagine? Should we have let this guy go? All right, we made it. We made it to Dettifoss and Selfoss. We're gonna go check that out now. You can see the mist rising up from over there. There's also another one over there, but we're not gonna bother seeing that one. Yeah. And then after this, we're heading to Myvatn. Over there anyway. Freaking assholes.
I don't think you'd see much more on that side.
It's not this waterfall, it's Selfoss. Wow. You want to go over there? Or?
See if it's any different. That's what I meant.
Oh yeah, like that's the thing. We're not going back this way. We have to look the hill.
Okay.
Well, this is what we're supposed to be seeing. All of this stuff here. But unfortunately, the fog is still up in elevation, so we can't see anything. But oh well. Can't be perfect all the time, right?
Where are we? There's that.
That's where we were, Asbyrgi. Yeah. And then we're here. No.
I wish I knew where the road was and where we are. There's no actual map, so you don't know how far we're supposed to go.
Yeah. No, this is it. Probably go there. Oh well. This is our view. And that's what we're supposed to be looking at. Up there. So worth the stop for anybody coming. Just make sure that there's no fog up here. Alright, I'm cold. There's the outdoor hot shower. If you're into that kind of thing. Sure.
I don't know if it's blue, but
yeah. gonna be muddy all around here. Oh. Okay, hold your breath. Holy crap, it stinks, guys. It stinks so bad. Like, this is insane. Whew. Talk about rotten eggs. Let's make our way through this and around, and we'll show you the highlights. Wish we can go up there, but I don't think so. Oh wow.
That's crazy, eh?
Yeah. Oh, it's muddy, guys. It's muddy. Here's another bubbling mud pool. Want to take a bath?
Muscles. Walk out there, but I'm not walking through that crap.
Heading into the thick of the stank. You know, when in Iceland, you gotta experience it all, man. You gotta experience it all, even the nasty. And that's what we're doing right now. I'm hoping because it's bigger, that means it stinks less, but highly unlikely. Look at this. I don't know if this is picking up the color. Look at that bubbling mud pot over there. Let me just look at this. Okay. Yeah.
You done yet?
Ah. Holy hell.
Say I stink.
I wish you guys could smell this. That's bad. This is all bad.
Oh my god. Let's get through it.
All right, let's go. I wonder if they're ever gonna add smell to video one day. If this is, if you guys want to smell this, holy hell, this friggin' reeks. Oh. Oh, cool. Look at the green rocks. Not bad here. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is green. Like a greenish color. Hoping the camera's picking it up, but whew. We're walking through the stank back to the van. There's Dawn back there, covered in the stank. This is intense. Yep. It's a big old cloud of stank. Some mud. and stank. Whew. Here's a chimney.
How red the sand is here.
I think they call this. Oh. Wow. This is some really red mud, guys. Here's a steam vent. That's cool. Let me go get some of this. Look at the amount of steam that comes off. Holy hell. Oh, the steam vents. Cool. But that's the biggest one by far. Quite a few people here, but not as much as high season, I'd imagine.
This one's pretty silent. Oh yeah, steam vents cause dirt rock.
Look at that. Here's like this. So awesome. Not as big as that one, but a little cute. Wow. Alright, back to the van. We got Dimmu Borgir to go see, and then Myvatn Nature Baths. Well, we got one more steam vent before we get to the van. Check this out. Look at that.
Iceland.
Oh, big old tube. Look at that blue. Should we go here first?
Wow.
Oh crap. Does that mean Myvatn Nature Baths?
That? No. That's a thermal station.
Oh, Myvatn's this way. I don't know if you guys can tell, but that's a massive volcano back there, that big hill. Looks like two peaks. That's a big ass cone. All right. We have made it to Dimmu Borgir. Yule lads, Icelandic Yule lads in Dimmu Borgir. The Santa Clauses. Huh. Look at that. That's cool. What's this saying?
Another volcano up here, I guess.
So I'm guessing once upon a time it was full of lava, and then it slowly came down, and now they have water, a little bit of lava, and that's what gave these pillars. Cool. We're going down into the pillars of Dimmu Borgir.
Looks like someone's giving the okay.
That's cool.
Got a picture of me.
This is the cave that was filmed in Game of Thrones here. Let's see if we can see. Oh, wow. That's dark as hell. How do you even... Do you have your flashlight? Just want to get down here. Wow. I can't see anything, but this is definitely it. Can you see anything?
You lost it again.
All right, we just finished Myvatn Nature Baths. We're not exactly in the best camping spot, and it's gonna cost us like $44 to stay here, which is not ideal at all, but it's close to where we want to go tomorrow, and yeah, that's about it. So we're gonna go brush our teeth and get ready for bed. See you in the morning.